Guys, in this video, we are going to start with Java programs. We will see how we can create Hello World Java program. But before starting with anything, we have to see which softwares we have to use to create Java programs. So you can see I have Chrome browser on my machine, search. So we have search Visual Studio Code. If you see third link, this is documentation of Visual Studio Code. This IDE is used to create Java programs. You can create any type of programs in any language in this Visual Studio Code, right? If you see, it's a website of Visual Studio Code. It is from Microsoft. You will be able to see to install Visual Studio Code. You can click on setup. If you want to install Visual Studio Code on Windows, you just click on Windows. If you want to install it on Mac OS, you can install. If you want to install it on Linux machine, you can click on Linux. Okay, why we are using Visual Studio Code? Because Visual Studio Code is open source editor. We can use this tool to create any type of programs, C Sharp, Java, Python. We can use Visual Studio Code. It is open source tool. We can use anywhere. We can give demo. We can create n number of softwares in this editor. Okay, so we are going to click on this Windows because I have Windows machine with me. If you see, you can download Visual Studio Code installer on clicking. Once you click on the downloader, so you will be able to install your Visual Studio Code on your machine. To install JDK on your machine, you have to click on Java. Then you have to click on getting started. Here you can see setup VS Code for Java development. If you see install the coding pack for Java Windows, this is a JDK toolkit. If you click on this, so JDK tool will be downloaded on your machine. JDK means it is Java development kit. Okay, and you will be able to see more essential Java extensions. You will be able to see multiple extensions which will help us in the development. So I have installed Visual Studio Code on my machine already, and now we can start with creating our first program in Java. If you see, this is Visual Studio Code editor. Here we can browse our Java programs. Okay, so this is for extension. If you want to install any of the extension related to Java JDK, so you will be able to install it. I have installed debugger for Java, extension pad for Java. These are required for the development, right? You can install all these extensions on your Visual Studio Code, then it will help you in the development. Okay, so this is for run and debug these options. This is for source controls where we keep our source control for the project, right? This is for search, and these are the settings. You can customize your environment, your layout, your code editor, your font size, right? This is my profile. Okay, so this is the welcome page on the Visual Studio. Here you could see we have terminal. So by using terminal, we will be able to run our Java programs. We can open our n number of terminals, right? To open your multiple terminals, you can. So this is Visual Studio overall. We'll see so many other features in Visual Studio Code while developing multiple programs in Java. But the agenda today is to create a Hello World program in Java. To create Hello World program, so you have to click here. You will see a welcome window where you can find welcome window. So you will see help welcome window. So you have to click just a open files. You have to select your hello world .java. .java is extension of Java programs. You have to always keep this extension with the file. Hit enter. So it will ask you where we have to save the file, right? So I have to say Java in my folder. So now you can see a new Java programs is created. Let's write some line of the codes in the Java programs. We will be printing hello world message. We have to say public class hello world. This is very simple. Next thing, what we have to do? We have to create a main method, public static void main. This is the method from where Java code starts their execution, right? We have to pass on their arguments, right? Then we have to print a very simple message, right? We have to use system dot out dot println method. Okay, you see, we have to type in any message. Welcome to Java beginner course, right? So this is the line we are printing on the console. This message will be printed. Welcome to the Java. We save it and we have to run our program. To run the program, either we right click and then say run Java. Okay. So why so? We have to see where our Java programs is created. So we say public type hello world must be defined its own file in Java. Okay. So it says we have to. Okay. So the problem was the file name was not the same what we have taken as a physical name. Okay. Run Java. Either we click on run Java, you can see welcome to Java beginner course, right? The hello world program is passed on to the Java runtime. You see. Okay. JDK 21.0.25 version is installed. It's a latest version of the Java in 2023. You can see this is the first way to create your first program, or you create your Java programs. Second way, you have to click on command plate, create Java project, this command. Then you have to select no build tools. Now you can define your project name, demo Java. This is your Java project name. You can see new project is being created on the Visual Studio IDE. Okay. Demo Java project. If you want to create any of the program in Java, you just have to click on this folder, new file. You can say welcome.java. So welcome.java is there. Public class. What is class? Curly braces. We have to create a main method. Then we have to use system. So here we can print any message. Welcome to Java course. Right? Just save the program. You can either press Ctrl F5, or you can right click your program and say run Java. Okay. So you see the output is printed here. So these steps are very simple. First, we have created a simple Java programs with new file, right? From here. Second way, we had created a Java project in Visual Studio Code. Okay. I hope it will help you to start with Java programs, how you can install Visual Studio Code, how you can install JDK kit. If you have any query, you can put your comment in the comment box. I'll be answering you those queries with our upcoming videos. Okay.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.